Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
The Morning Brew.
With DJ Tommy G.
With DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio, the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back, people. 10:45 on the dot. Before we continue, we have a couple of invites here for you guys. Ayan, inimbitahan namin kayo sa SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. All right, here are the invites. Celebrate Moms, okay? At SM Central and SM Downtown. Special moments with moms. May mga special event and sale event para sa inyo at SM City Olongapo Downtown and Central, okay? Featuring the date with mom, moments with mom, ano pa ba? Marami, gifts for mom. Look up the posters posted at SM Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. All right? Special Mom's Day celebration at SM for you, okay? And also, aside from that, the Dinamulag Festival shopping treats will be happening at the SM store. All right? Free 3-day VIP pass for you. Plus, free mango shakes at Sky Bar. Okay? And yung namang free 3-day VIP pass is at Victory Gym and Athletic Club here inside the Subic Bay Freeport yan. Okay? Also, do check out the Our Home mattresses sale up to 80% and plus additional 10% off when you use your SMAC Advantage card or SMAC Prestige. Our Home located at the 3rd level of SM City Olongapo Central. All right? And SM Women's Sale is from May 1 to May 15, up to 50% off on select items at the SM Women's Sale. Visit the SM store now. Aside from that, the Boys Teen Sale is also happening up to 50% off. This one's whole month long from May 1 to May 31. It's going to be for the whole month of May. The Boys Teen Sale up to 50% off. Visit your nearest SM now, okay? And best gifts for any occasion, they are suggesting you try SM Gift Pass, okay? Get them now at the customer service counter at all SM malls, okay? The best gift for any occasion, the SM Gift Pass. And also, they're looking for somebody to fill in the position of client service officer din. Ayan, may job openings din at SM City Olongapo Central. Okay? One of which is client service officer and the other one is the customer experience crew for the SM Cinemas. All right, so check it out. So those are the invites for you coming from our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Sabi nga, we got it all for you. Narinig nyo na yung song na yun, ano? Ayan, sabay tanong sa bisita, no? Hindi ako yung kumanta noon.
Lagi yun.
Pero ako yung nagsasabi doon ng ano, it's the SM 3-day sale up to 7. That's my voice, yeah. Okay, ayan, ang bisita po natin right about now is our friends from Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant. Yay! Ayan, welcome to 89.5. Ayan. Si Ma'am Tin, tsaka si, I didn't get your name, sorry. Ano pong name ni?
Maybe po,
Maydi. Ayun, Maydi. Akala ko hindi sigurado, maybe. Maybe pala. Joke. May nagsabi na sa'yo ng joke na yun. Meron na. Ako, huli na ako, hindi pala akong first. Si Ma'am Tin and si Ma'am Maydi is from Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant kung saan, naku, napakasarap naman ng mga pagkain. Paano ko nasabi? Nandoon kami a couple of weeks back. Nilantakan namin yung mga Diyos ko po, ang sasarap. Ayan. Tapos, mura na, utang pa. Joke.
Pwede na, sir.
Yeah,
pwede na
pwede. Sila na yung bahalang magpaliwanag sa inyo. Ayan. Ano bang something special that you guys wanna tell our listeners?
Ayan, so, good morning. I'm Tin from Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant. Ayan, so, nandito kami, sir, para i-promote yung aming Mother's Day Cake.
Mother's Day Cake?
Yes, since Mother's Day is coming na.
Oo nga, malapit na.
Yes, malapit-lapit na po. So, perfect tong gift na to para sa ating mga mothers. Ayan. Sa mga tulad kong nanay. Dyan.
Uy, yeah.
Okay, so yung cake po namin called Crema de Fruta.
Okay,
so,
Crema de Fruta.
Yes, a flour fetty soft naked cake made with light and airy sponge cake. A dreamy lemon cream with real fruits topped with lychee jelly.
Okay.
So, siya, perfect size. You can catch that cake po. Nakapost na siya sa website namin since ngayon kami maglo-launch May 3. Yan, sa mga selected stores.
Okay.
And available na siya sa SM Olongapo Central, Contis Bake Shop and Restaurant.
At the ground level,
Yes,
don't forget.
ground level, yes.
Kailangan siguro update ko yung poster nyo with us. May poster kayo with us eh. Yung halo-halo pa yung nakalagay.
Yeah, yung
kukunin
halo-
ko yung cake.
Sige sir, speaking of halo-halo, available pa rin ang ating tres leches and ube custard halo-halo
Yeah.
for dine-in, and pwede rin siya for take-out, and
Yes.
pwede rin siya sa Grab and Food Panda.
Yun.
Yun.
Flavors of Summer, halo-halo. Ayun.
Yes,
Yun
sir.
yung nakalagay
And
sa
then,
poster.
oo. Tapos meron pa since summer, mainit ang panahon. Perfect. Nagre-launch din kami ng mga shakes. Meron kaming strawberry shake ngayon. That's 145. And of course, watermelon shake, 145 din.
Ayun. I'm glad you guys dropped by here para na rin sa mga tagapakinig natin na kasi when we say the word Contis, nagkaroon kasi dati dito ng supermarket na Contis. Actually, this is Bake Shop and Restaurant. Has nothing to do with that.
Iya, wala,
Ayun.
sir, wala
Dahil
po.
alam mo naman, if you're from Olonga, pag narinig kasi yung word na yan, yung unang nakilala kasi
opo,
noon
yung
eh.
mga native na Olonga po.
Nabalitaan niyo siguro yun. So I'm glad you guys dropped by para yan, ipaliwanag natin. And nabanggit na rin lang natin Contis. Bakit nga ba Contis? Sino nagbigay ng pangalang Contis?
Ayan, yung Contis is originated siya sa surname ng mga founder, which is
Ayun.
Conti.
Okay.
Apostrophe S kasi siya. So,
Conti,
Conti Sisters.
Yes.
So, yan yung mga founders natin.
I did my own research din. Ang family name na Conti, they got Italian roots. Parang ganon.
Yeah, parang ganun, sir.
Well, alam nyo naman ng Pilipinas, melting pot of races, di ba?
Yes, opo.
Yeah, we're part Spanish, part American. Yan, yung mga nag-colonize sa atin. Yun.
Yeah.
For 400 years. Kaya ang daming mistiso-mistisa na Pilipino.
Totoo.
Di ba?
Madaming magaganda.
Yeah. At saka, ang mga Pilipino talaga naturally hot. Umaabot ng 53 degrees Celsius, di ba?
Literal na yun, sir.
Literal na. Papalitan na raw. Gagawin ng hindi na raw Earth. Mini sun. Tapos do you guys recall anong year nagsimula ang Contis Bake Shop and Restaurant?
Yeah, way back 1997.
1997.
Yes po.
Saan ang unang-unang branch?
BF Homes Paranaque.
BF Homes Paranaque.
Yes, yun yung pinakaunang-unang store po namin. And
okay.
then, of course, ano pa rin siya, nag-ooperate pa rin siya.
Open
hanggang
pa
ngayon.
na,
Yes, open na
oo.
open pa yung aming BF Homes Paranaque.
Yeah. Alam nyo, there are bloggers, there are adventurers na yan ang I'm gonna explain. Yan ang gustong-gustong ginagawa. Yung unang-unang branch ng mga sumikat na brand, pinupuntahan, tapos nagvi-video sila doon.
Yeah.
This is the very first branch kung saan nagsimula ang basta sikat na brand. Like,
Opo.
like Contis nga, ganun. Okay. So, Contis, BF Homes Paranaque, nagsimula in
97.
97.
Yes,
Ayan. So, they've been around for ilang years na ba? You do the math. Ilang years na now? You happen to know. Pero yung sa SM Central, it opened just
September 26.
last year, am I right?
2021 po.
Naku, I'm sorry,
Yes,
2021 pa pala. Oo.
Magti 3 years old
Magti 3 years na this 2024. Oh,
Yes,
that's nice, that's
opo.
nice. Ayan. And again, they are located at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Tapos they have their Facebook page para na rin kung nasa bahay ka ngayon, gusto mo makita yung what's available, yung menu, di ba?
Yes, opo.
At the tip of your fingers, makikita mo na.
Yes. So, meron po kaming Facebook page, Contis Bake Shop and Restaurant, with 1.5 million followers. So, kasi may
Wow.
mga, ano ba yun, yung mga dummy accounts. So,
yeah.
pag chinek nyo po, 1.5 million followers na po ang Contis Bake Shop and Restaurant sa Facebook page.
Officially
And then,
official.
yes, we have also yung aming website, contis.ph. Okay, so pwede na rin po tayong mag-order through online.
Yun.
And of course, pag online cashless, pwede na rin po tayong magbayad through online.
Yun. Click-click na lang.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
napakasarap. Tapos darating na sa'yo, no? Ding
Yes.
dong! Nandyan na. Ganun na ngayon, no? Swerte ng henerasyon na to. Oh, noon wala dito. Gusto ko ng Contis cake. Punta ako sa BF Homes Paranaque.
Yeah, opo. Or di po kaya ang pinaka-malapit po before sa Olonga po is yung Pampanga.
Pampanga, yes.
Opo.
Oh, ayun.
Meron na ngayon. Kami na ang lumapit sa
Yun.
mga tiga-Olonga po.
And thanks to technology. Ayan.
Yes,
At sumasabay ang Conti, syempre. Ayan.
Yes,
So
sir,
visit
opo.
their official Facebook page. Well, if you have the time, you can drop by at SM City Olongapo Central at the ground level. Ayan. How about contact number? Para baka may gustong tumawag, mag-inquire? Or?
Yes, opo. Meron po kaming contact number, so you can call us directly sa store, 0917-638-8920. That's our Globe number. Then we have also Smart, 0947-993-4411. 1.5.
Yeah, okay. And lastly, going back to the Mother's Day cake, isang flavor lang yon or
Yes, sir. It's
yun,
one
the,
flavor
the
lang.
crema di fruta,
De fruta.
flavor, Mom's Day special cake. Pero kung gusto niyo naman yung ibang flavors ng cake, they have them din.
Yes,
Lalo-lalo
the
na yung
all-time favorite na Mango Bravo, always
Yun.
available po siya.
Yun. Tapos nakalimutan ko rin yung pangalan ko nung natikman ko yung yung crinkle cheesecake.
Crinkle cheesecake.
Ay, grabe. Nung nandoon kami. Ayan. So, you guys, check it out. You can drop by at the SM Central ground level. Anything else you guys wanna add to that?
Ayan, add ko lang din,
Sige
sir,
po.
sa
Yeah,
mga
sure.
the dine-in sa Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant. We have also slice of that crema de fruta. Then that's 175 for slice. Then we have also the regular, yung buo ng cake.
Okay.
1,195. Whole
Alright.
cake na siya.
Ooh.
And then since summer season, medyo delicate po yung cake natin. We do
Yeah.
advise na mag-add na lang ng insulated bag.
Insulated
It can
bag.
last up to 4 hours.
Yeah.
That's 1,420. Kasama na yung bag na reusable. Okay. So convenient
Yeah.
yon kasi sobrang init na dito, lalong-lalo
Yeah.
na dito sa Olongapo. So perfect yung bag for travels kapag
Yeah.
medyo malalayo yung ating pupuntahan or pag magbi-beach. So perfect po yon.
Yun, tama. Pero kung within the city lang naman yan, from Conti's Central, uwi na kagad, i-rep mo. di ba?
Yes, i-rep mo
within
na
the
siya
city lang
agad.
yun, abot naman. Yeah.
Opo, kasi 1 hour lang yung advisable niya outside kasi sobrang init.
No, smeltering hot
Yes.
sa labas. Okay, ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo dalawang Madam Maydi and Madam Tin
Yes.
for dropping by. May mga gusto kayo i-greet before we wrap things up?
Okay, so yun lang. I think shout
Batiin-
out sa SM
oh.
Olongapo Central Team, Conti's Bake Shop and
Yun.
Restaurant.
Oo.
Yan, hello sa inyo dyan kung nakikinig man kayo.
Yeah. Oh, wala silang nakalimutang batiin kasi sabi ni Ma'am Tin, lahat. Oh,
Yes,
lahat,
lahat
ha?
na.
Oh, kasi pag inisa-isa natin, baka mamaya may maiwan, magtampo pa. Eh, no?
Magtampo pa,
Oh,
sir.
basta lahat kayo, bahala
Lahat
kayo
ko
dyan.
na.
Oh. Hello,
And,
SM.
yes,
Conti's
and
SM.
also
yeah.
to Sir Jerome. Oh,
Yun.
hindi kasi siya
yeah, Sir
nakasama
Jerome. Oh.
today.
I thought he was
Opo.
coming nga eh. Yeah, okay. Alright. Once again, thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. Check them out on Facebook. They're on Facebook. They have their website.
Yes.
Anything and everything you want to know about Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant, get online and check it. Or pumunta na kayo doon kung gusto
Yes,
nyo.
visit us, SM
Yeah.
Olongapo Central.
Alright,
Ground
maraming
floor.
salamat po. And we will go back to the next Cool Friday Rewind song. Ayan, and nako, it's gonna be a long day for us dahil meron pa akong 3 bus na bisita. And here's the bus number 2. Ayan, 2 more coming. Thank you very much, Ma'am Maddie and Ma'am Tin. Maraming salamat po. Okay, so let's bring in the next batch of students from LaSalle College Antipolo. Ayan, pasok na po kayo. Alright. Okay. Inintroduce ko na, diretso na, Kuya Zosimo ha. Nandito ngayon ang ating poging kaibigan na si Kuya Zosimo. Ayan. And si Kuya Marty. Alright. Okay. This is bus number 2, am I right? Number 7. Oh. Kasi may nauna kanina, kaya akala ko 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, yeah. Okay, come on in. Welcome to 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Yung po nakikita nyo ngayon sa live video natin, yan yung students ng LaSalle College of Antipolo. Yay! Ayan. Say hi to everybody tune in right now. Yung camera nyo. Ayan. Okay. Hi, hello! Yan. Okay, grade 12. Pareho rin nung nauna, no? Grade 12. Magkakaklase kayong lahat. Ayun. Yung naunang bus kanina, kaklase nyo rin ba? Or iba na to, no? Ibang section. Ayan. Pero ito magkakaklase lahat. Saka yung pangalawa na papasok, no? Ayan. Okay, sige. Alright. Sige po. Yeah, okay lang. Kita naman na lahat, sir. Okay na. Ayan. Thank you, Sir Marty and Sir Zosimo. Ayan. This is just the first batch of this bus. Maraming salamat. Okay. Ayan. Hi, good morning, kids. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. How you doing? How was the biyahe? Okay ba? Okay ba? Ayan, alright. Okay, by the way, I just want to remind you, we are live right now on 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Live tayo. Ayan. Tapos live sa World Radio Garden. Who's familiar with World Radio Garden? It's like a Google Map of radios. Pag pinuntahan mo siya, Google Map siya, di ba? Pero ang naka-feature radio stations. May mga dot bawat lugar. Radio station lahat yon. Kaya mapapakinggan mo lahat ng radio station sa buong mundo. Ayan, okay. Ayan, and we're among them. Hindi lahat ng radio station sa Pilipinas nandoon, pero we're among them. Okay? Plus live sa Facebook, Twitch TV. Oh, yung mga gamers dyan, alam na yung Twitch TV. Oh. Napangiti sila nung narinig, uy, Twitch TV! Kasi anything and everything, no? Very entertaining. Twitch. Okay, so grade 12 students, that means last year nyo na with LaSalle College of Antipolo. So, pag graduate kayo, hopefully, joke, pag graduate kayo, anong mamimiss nyo sa school niyo? Pinaka mamimiss nyo? Classmates. Yun ang first and foremost, classmates, no? Ayan. Dahil baka hindi na kayo magkita-kita afterwards, no? Baka iba-iba na yung, wow. Close siguro kayo lahat, no? Parang may naramdaman ko, parang may gusto sa hindi po. Yung, lalo na si ano? Parang natigilan eh. Nung close kayo lahat, no? Okay. So, how many days to go bago tayo graduate? How many months? Is it?
22 days.
This month na. Uy, wow. Okay. Nako. Sabihin nyo na yung gusto nyo sabihin sa mga... Aminin nyo yung gustong aminin. No? Nung nakaraang summer, sabi nga, ako yung napagbintangan pero hindi talaga ako yung umutot eh. Siya talaga yun eh. Okay. Anong pinaka-paborito nyong subject? Alam ko iba-iba tayo, hindi tayo pare-pareho. Pero among you, sa tingin nyo, sino ang pinaka-popular na subject?
Siguro physics.
Yung pinaka-maraming may gustong-gusto? P6? Ano no? PE. Parang PE pala yung gustong sabihin. P6 lang yung lumabas para smart pakinggan. Pero yeah. Anong kakaiba sa sa LaSalle College na wala sa ibang school? Parang gano'n. Bundok. Uphill eh, no? Ang LaSalle College of Antipolo. Papasok ka, pataas. Uuwi ka, pataas pa rin. Ewan ko kung saan matatapos yun. Lahat, all the way. Kanina sabi ko sa nauna sa inyo, parang magandang motto yata ng LaSalle College. The only way is up. Maganda, di ba? The only way is up. Bahala na kung kailan bababa. Magandang motto. Another motto, mura na, nauutang pa. Okay. Kamusta yung kantin nyo? Masarap ba pagkain? Super sarap. Tapos may promo rin na gano'n. Mura na, nauutang pa. Wala naman. Anong pinaka-specialty ng kantin? Pasensya na kayo. Lagi kong tinatanong to kasi pag may binibisita akong mga schools, ang una-una ko pinupuntahan kantin. Anong pinaka-specialty na pinaka-masarap? Pork chop. Sisig. O sige, given. Sige. Tapos yung pork chop nila, pinirito ba yun? Piniritong pork chop? Yung may breading. Ayun, okay. Dahil masarap yung breading na ginagamit. Yung pala yun eh, no? Okay. So after grade 12, I heard walang college, no, na hindi kayo pwedeng mag-apply, mag-enroll tuloy-tuloy. You have to go to another pero ironically it's called LaSalle College. Pero wala palang college. I see. So that's the reason why. May college before. Hiniwalay na siguro dahil to accommodate, population keeps getting bigger, di ba? Ayun. Sir, umuugong sa mic. Ayan, sorry. Ayan. Okay, ayan. So, ito ba yung first stop nyo dito sa Subic? Saan kayo nauna kanina? Waterfront. Yan. Along the CBD area, no? Waterfront Road. Yan. So, yung waterfront, yung ba yung may malaking Subic Bay na sign? Tapos pinuntahan nyo na rin yung other hotels that are available here na may magagandang sayang, sa likod kasi nun, sunod-sunod magagandang swimming pool. Yan. Tapos, after ng swimming pool, beach area na. Di ba? Kaya masarap talaga sa Subic eh. No? Yan. Tapos ang higpit nga lang ng traffic discipline. Natikitan ba driver nyo? Hindi naman. Good. Alam na nila eh. No? Tapos we are strict on the littering campaign din. Kaya mag-ingat kayo. Huwag kayong magtatapon basta-basta. Meron tayong green marshals that are going around. Kasi nagbibigay sila ng ticket sa mga nagtatapon basta-basta. Pero yeah, okay. It's for everybody's safety rin naman para 'di ba? Para maganda yung kapaligiran natin. Ayan, okay? So I'm not gonna hold you long dahil alam ko first batch kayo, no? May kalahati pa na iwan sa bus, no? Pagbalik nyo sa bus, huwag kayo maingay, ha? Sabi nyo, wala naman, di naman live on air, di naman. Simpleng-simple lang. Yeah. Okay, thank you kids for dropping by. Maraming salamat. LaSalle College of Antipolo, it's great having you here. Maraming salamat. Enjoy Subic! Yan, okay. So there you have it, folks. Our next set of youngsters. Hindi pa tayo tapos, may kasunod pa, syempre. Marami. Ano to? Ilang bus ba kayo lahat-lahat? Oh, wow. 8 or 9 buses. Ayan. Sige, kaya ko lahat yan. Okay, thank you very much. We will now take the quick top of the hour break and we will be back with the second half of these youngsters from LaSalle College of Antipolo. We will be right back.
For the best music mix that keeps you riveted.